Union workers are making their voices heard yet again. They're calling for more personal protective equipment, hazard pay, passage of the HEROES Act, and an end to systemic racism and anyone trying to undermine union workers at the Hampton VA.
About 24 union workers protested outside of the Hampton VA Medical Center this afternoon. They are among hundreds of members of the American Federation of Government Employees who will pound the pavement over the course of the Labor Day weekend. On a sidewalk marked for social distancing, Hampton VA workers demanded proper PPE.
If the VA can't take care of its own employees, how are they going to be taking care of the veterans?
We don't feel as we're being protected. It's better than it was in the beginning, but we're still not having proper equipment.
Barbara Casanova, the president of the local American Federation for Government Employees, says that sick leave is one of the biggest concerns they have for all levels of VA workers.
Disparately affecting a lot of our lower income employees, particularly our nursing assistants and our clerks, who don't acquire as much leave as registered nurses and other people. Our people are being ran out of sick leave. If you get sick, you must use your sick leave. If you don't have it, you don't get paid.
Casanova says her organization feels that VA workers have been left out when it comes to taking care of healthcare workers in general.
You don't get any of these entitlements that were, put out by the White House. You don't get them at all.
Better PPE and more PPE.
They just want VA workers to be looked upon in the same light within that healthcare system.
We want to be looked at equally to other hospitals and within the private sector. We feel like we too have earned those. We're on the front lines taking care of America's heroes.
Demonstrators outside the James A. Haley VA Hospital in Tampa joined hundreds of other VA employees around the country to protest their contract. They say in the middle of a pandemic, as they're treating veterans, they're not being treated fairly.
Saturday's demonstrators joined hundreds of other VA workers across the nation as they used the Labor Day weekend to say enough is enough, asking for protection so they can continue to serve our veterans.
We're here because we do support our veterans and we want to protect our veterans.
Elizabeth Fry, Fox 13 News.